Alright everyone, it is Sunday and as of no surprise, Bitcoin has no volatility right now. Everything I said in yesterday's video still applies. I would not be surprised to see a bit of a pullback here to some of these lower levels, but we are seeing some things on the charts that could give us signs that we won't see that pullback. So still pretty 50-50. We got to wait for the week open to get more data. So that's why today is going to be a super short video. I'm not going to ramble on about repeating what I've been saying, but we do have some new things popping up specifically just over here on Total 3, and that is that the value area low does look like it is getting flipped into support right now. We need a little bit more confirmation of this, especially if Bitcoin is going to get a pullback. Probably going to see altcoins get a pullback as well, but this is looking like a proper breakout and hold of the value area low, signaling that our next target would be value area high sitting up at $1 trillion market cap over here on Total 3. And with what we're already seeing in altcoins right now, we could see some pretty explosive gains over here in the next coming months, because as we talked about, when the altcoins move, they move quick, and we might be getting to that point where altcoins are going to rip to the upside. So that's really all I wanted to say. Altcoins look like they're about to go ballistic, but of course, that does not mean you need to FOMO in right now. We could easily pull back, deviate this, turn that into resistance, and actually fall into the bear market. Or we could simply just have a nice bullish pullback, something like that, before heading on up. A lot of different possibilities on the chart, but as of right now, what we wanted to see as far as getting this breakout and back test of the value area low does look like it's wanting to confirm. We only got a couple hours left on this daily, and it looks like we are going to close the daily above the value area low. So really optimistic about the altcoin market. I think the Bitcoin dominance is going to continue down. We see the Bitcoin dominance still rejecting off of this range high. So I think that definitely could have been the top here for Bitcoin dominance. But once again, we need a little bit more confirmation here. You can see we're kind of holding this point of control. Let's see if we can actually get under that, flip that into resistance, have some more confirmation that the Bitcoin dominance chart is topped, and we are in fact entering altcoin season. But as I've been saying, I think we're kind of already in altcoin season. You're just not seeing everything go at once. There are specific plays that are starting to go parabolic. One of the coins I had talked about in my top 5 favorite meme coins, SPX 6900, it's done a 22x in the last 3 weeks. So yeah, we're definitely starting to see a lot of retail euphoria coming back into the markets. Some meme coins are definitely going parabolic right now. And while it could be a sign that we're actually topping out here and that we're just seeing some meme coins blast off before we roll over into the bear market, I definitely do think those are just foreshadowing the gains that are going to get spread around later on when we do actually have expansion into the rest of the altcoin market, as some things just run first. But we'll see. Like I said, Bitcoin still looks a bit more on the bearish side, and Total 3 definitely could roll over here and get back under value. So this will be very important in the next couple hours when we come down here. Is this going to backtest and go, or is this going to deviate and go lower, and then we could have a bit more of a pullback with Bitcoin? So we'll see what happens. I still remain the case that you shouldn't FOMO right now. We had talked about a hidden bull div not being in the charts. We actually do have a bit of a hidden bull div, although it's kind of weird because this low is not a proper low. It's kind of just during this uptrend. We made it, I guess, if you went to the hourly time frame, you can see, yeah, we do have a hidden bull div in there, right? Higher lows, lower lows on RSI. But that could easily get broken, right? So we have to maintain the higher lows right now. As long as we can maintain structure, I have no reason to believe the impulsive move is over. But as soon as we do start breaking structure, don't be surprised if we sweep this range. I definitely think this range is getting swept at some point. Probably not going to leave these poor lows on the chart forever. But who cares if we pull back to 62K? Pullbacks are expected. But anyways, we'll talk about the Bitcoin price action more tomorrow when we have the rest of traditional finance open, and we can dive into the charts with a more comprehensive look instead of just guessing, because right now it is just a guessing game. We're in the middle of a range, maybe a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin, but the altcoin market looks super bullish, so kind of hard to tell what's going to happen here. But if you do have any questions about anything I talked about, or just want to join the community for this channel, link to my Discord is in the description down below. Also down below is a VIP Discord that is specifically for leveraged trading, specifically to try to help you out with leverage trading so you can actually do it on your own. It's not a signals group at all. That's 25% off, by the way. And then also check out those exchanges linked down below. I'm partnered with all of them. They all have their own perks and benefits and exclusive rewards and bonuses when you use my referral links to sign up. So don't miss out on that. But with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.